Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix F06 error in Whirlpool washing machine. If you want to fix the error, then you will need to follow some steps. These are the reset steps to follow. First, press pause and cancel button twice to cancel the error code. Second, unplug the washer from the power source. Then wait 10 minutes. Then reconnect the power to the washer. Put the washer into diagnostic mode by pressing any three keys except power one. After the other, then press the three keys again. Make sure you press the same three keys in the same order. When the washer is in diagnostic mode, it should show 888 on the display. Then select an express test by pressing and releasing the second button that you press above. And in the last, after the LED begins blinking, press start to begin the test. If the E01/F06 error code returns, the issue has not been resolved, and you will need to continue to troubleshoot the problem. So these are the reset steps you need to follow. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.